I'm ripping in my seven. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. Garage door.
What's going on, y'all? Another beautiful day in the Lone Star State. That's right, Texas. You know, actually it's kind of cloudy and muggy, but either way, outside temp is like 75, man. I think I'm finna pull the bike out because later this week, I believe it's supposed to get a little bit ugly with the weather, and even into next weekend, and I'm gonna be off, and yeah, so I need to have it to where, I guess, get the ride in today, and then, you know what I'm saying, be good to go from there. You know what I'm saying? So next weekend, when I don't get the ride, at least we'll be doing what we want to do, which is the upgrades. So let me show you what we got for the upgrades that we're gonna go ahead and install during the week this week. All right, so like I said, let me show you what I got here. So we got in this box from Advan Black, you know, we had the turn signal lights here, which these are going to snap. Let me show you how these gonna go on here. Which these are gonna go onto the bike like that, and be additional lighting for the turn signals. So they'll get ran up inside of I have to figure it out first. What is this? I don't know what that is. Does that look like? No, that's 3 pin. I was gonna say that might be what that need, but I don't think so. So yeah, the lights will mount. The lights will mount here on the lowers. Turn signal, additional joints. So we'll be installing those, as well as we got these here, which are the correct turn signal lights for the bags, which these are going to mount. Let's see how. Yeah, so these are gonna mount like that, roughly. Of course, not too. Yeah. That's why I was trying to kind of see how they should lay. Oh, God damn it. All right, there. So yeah, that would be kind of awkward that way. So I'm pretty sure it's like this. But of course, on the correct or corresponding side, and then the wiring ran along the bag and everything like that. So those we'll get them installed too. I know that before I was saying I was gonna wait until the next season or some shit like that, but they just lights. Turn signals in the back, brake lights, turn signals and things in the rear. So it shouldn't be a super long, difficult install over a weekend and be good to go. And then anticipated, we shouldn't have to be down. We shouldn't have to be down anymore this season 2023. I'll probably go ahead and change the oil. I'll probably go ahead and change all the fluids. What you can see here, I got the engine oil, and then you got the transmission, the primary. That's for primary, and that's for engine. So yeah, engine, primary, and transmission, and the filter, which is, I believe we went with just a black filter. Yeah, black filter. So yeah, those would be the last couple things. We'll probably try, like I said, we'll try to get that all knocked out this week, because after April showers, May, June, July, August, September, so 4 months, we'll just be riding and gliding. There have been some recent developments on our list. So as far as the speaker lids, I'm taking those off of the list, just because of the simple fact that I talked to a guy about, you know, where I wanted to be as far as music, etc., and I'm probably just gonna run a 4-speaker setup, at least for now anyway. As far as handguards, those might get taken off. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not exactly sure about the upgrading the shocks in the rear. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna upgrade it with. I'll say it like that. And then of course, we are diligently on the look for the 2118 wheel combo, just because you never know when you're gonna come across a good deal on those. So, but today we're just gonna pull it out and we riding. Like, pull it out, probably wipe it down, ride around, scoot around a little bit, and then when we pull it back in this afternoon or this evening, then we don't necessarily have to start tearing it down right then, but it'll begin the process. And like I said, we'll probably do probably tomorrow when I get off, I'll come home and we'll go ahead and do the saddlebag lights, and then from there we'll move up front. I have not completely decided what I'm doing as far as speakers. I do have one in mind though, that I'm probably gonna end up going with. So we'll get those speakers. So that'll be like a little bit longer of a project. That may be the next like November, December project while we just riding the rest of the season. And then when we go down for the season or whatever, then we'll look at going ahead and installing the amp and the speakers and all that good stuff. So we'll end up being 4 speakers on the amp with the flash radio, and then we'll go from there. So good times, good times. But that's pretty much gonna, I won't say wrap up, but that'll pretty much conclude what we plan or have planned for that. So yeah, I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna do the bags, the bag lids. So I'll probably end up just putting these 6x9s in a car. And then as far as these go, like I said, once I get these switched over, once I get the lower switched over to the speaker pods, but I want to do, when I do the speaker pods, I don't want to have the speaker pods there with no speakers in them. So like I said, that'll wait until I get ready to do everything at once. That way we'll change over to the speaker pods, flash the radio, install the speakers and all that all at once, and then should be good. Install the amplifier, all that good stuff. So yeah. Alright, so in other news, y'all know, well, y'all knew about the antique plates on the two-door box. Well, we have accumulated or acquired antique plates for yet another car. Grab my screwdriver. I'm gonna show you which one. That's too small. But technically, my screwdriver is over here in this toolbox. I just thought I might get lucky and find one over yonder. Yes, you guessed it. The Cutlass is now part of the antique auto game. We're gonna get that plate swapped out. Alright, so now that the truck on for the car on one plate, in the back we can put pretty much what we want to up front. So what I've decided to do is put a LS Chevrolet 254 plate right up front. That'll look good. Alright, so just like that, we in now. Alright, so like I said, we gotta talk about the blue box here. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but let me show you. Cars just been sitting and they went like all the way low. So this was one of the, I know this is a newer tire that I bought, so I don't know why it went flat like that. So we're gonna air that up, see what's going on. Also sprung a transmission leak. Car hadn't really been being driven, wasn't leaking, then all of a sudden just started leaking. So story of my life with them transmissions though, I don't know why. So let me fill up the compressor. Fill up the compressor, then we can air this tire up, see if it's gonna hold some air, and go from there. Alright, so we took the valve core out. Took the valve core out, aired it up. Seems to be holding for now. So we'll see how it holds. Feel like we finna get a little sprinkle. I still want to get my little ride in, so I'm probably finna go grab my hoodie, and then I'll catch y'all back on when I get back. Alright, so let me bring up the weather app here. So today, thunderstorms possible after 4 p.m. We'll be back by then. Just gotta make a couple runs. And if you look on the daily tip, today looking shiesty. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's not bad, but Thursday all the way till Tuesday, which is when I'm gonna be off, damn me, rain. So this is gonna be the perfect week to go ahead and do whatever upgrades and shit that we want to do to the bike, because we're gonna be able to ride it anyway. So let's pull out and get the moving. So as you can see, it is raining. Well, this is the aftermath. It done passed over for the most part. We got caught in it a little bit. Got all our errands that we need to get done though, minus getting some gas, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So now she really gonna need a wash. I ain't never rode her like, I ain't never got caught in the rain, because I usually check the forecast, and the forecast is usually pretty accurate. But now we are, yeah. So she gonna need like a wash. Coming soon.